Welcome to the Learning Studio. In today's episode of our Education and Teaching series, we're exploring a topic that every teacher must master: classroom management. It's not just about keeping the class quiet. It's about creating an environment where every student feels safe, respected, and ready to learn. You can explore the full series by clicking the playlist link in the description below. What is classroom management? Classroom management is the set of strategies, systems, and routines teachers use to organize the classroom, guide student behavior, and build a positive learning atmosphere. Think of it like this. If the classroom is a stage, classroom management is the backstage crew that makes sure the lights, sound, and actors are all in sync so the show runs smoothly. Without it, even the best lesson plans can fall apart. Why is it so important? Because students can't focus, participate, or grow in a chaotic space. Good classroom management helps to maximize learning time, reduce disruptions and stress, build mutual respect between teacher and students, support students' emotional and social development. A well-managed classroom feels calm, focused, and fair, not strict but structured. Core elements of classroom management. Here are the foundational pieces. Clear rules and expectations set from day one. Students should know what's okay and what's not, and why. Consistent routines, from how to start class to how to ask questions. Predictability builds confidence. Positive relationships. Students learn best when they feel seen, heard, and respected. A kind word can go a long way. Engaging lessons. A busy student is a focused student. Interactive, relevant content prevents boredom. Fair discipline. Consequences should teach, not punish. Always treat students with dignity. Popular classroom management models. Teachers around the world use different models like assertive discipline, firm but respectful boundaries. Responsive classroom focuses on social-emotional learning alongside academics. Positive behavior support, PBS, encourages and rewards good behavior rather than only reacting to misbehavior. Modern approaches lean toward positive reinforcement, student voice, and restorative practices, moving away from old-school punishment. Real-life example. In countries like Japan, classroom cleaning is done by students, which teaches responsibility and respect. That's not just a cultural norm, it's a form of classroom management built into the school system itself. In many Scandinavian countries, flexible seating and open dialogue between teachers and students foster trust, which leads to fewer discipline problems. Why future educators must learn this? No matter how good your teaching content is, without strong classroom management, learning won't happen effectively. Great teachers don't just teach subjects, they manage energy, emotions, and expectations. Mastering this skill will help you prevent conflicts before they happen, support struggling students more patiently, make your classroom a place where learning truly comes alive. What's next? In our next episode, we'll explore lesson planning and delivery, structuring and presenting content to optimize learning. Make sure to subscribe, leave your questions in the comments, and follow the full playlist linked below. Thanks for learning with us, right here at the Learning Studio.